Yes, India finally crossed the line. They are qualified for the semi-finals. What a match it was. The entire Eden Gardens erupted today due to happiness, happy tears, and whatnot. It was the most important match, literally the quarter-final, the knockout match. Very, very important for India to qualify after that loss in the very first match of the Super 8 game. Yes, they came back stronger and they have crossed the line, chasing the 195 target, which was like literally the huge one. Yes, good performances today. In the bowling lineup, it was Bumrah, the Brahmastra of Indian team, being there, taking the important wickets and bowling with a very good economy rate. Really great bowling. But then, the batting. We had to chase 195. It was, of course, a huge total in that ground. We had opted to chase, and it was for us the day, the stage was all set. But I'll speak about the hero of the match, Sanju Samson. For everyone, there'll be a huge turning point the moment they want in their entire career. For some people, it comes early, but for some people, they have to earn it with pain, tears, and hard work behind. And today, it came for Sanju Samson. Whatnot was questioned, criticized. Everyone were like, why is Sanju in the team? All the experts, commentators told it's all gone for Sanju Samson. He's not in the touch. Everything was there. He was kept aside from the team. He was benched, but something that hurted was the New Zealand series. It didn't go well for Sanju Samson. The first four matches, of course, didn't go well, but at least he was allowed to keep the gloves. He was wicket keeping in the matches. But then that fifth match in his own ground in Tiruvananthapuram, the gloves were taken away from him. But what that raised was it all over for Sanju Samson? That too inside his hometown, his ground, the place he was born and brought up. But he didn't show it up. Everything was there inside. He sat there with pain. He wanted to scream inside, but then that pain was there smiling outside. But today was his day. Finally, happy moments have arrived. Can't express how happy we are feeling. The celebration he did said everything. It was not magic, it was not miracle. It was answers to all his prayers, beliefs, and hopes. God has answered his prayers, and it is his day today. He sat down, celebrated, almost tears in his eyes, and we could not stop crying because I, myself, being Sanju's biggest fan, had that emotional moment inside heart because we were with him in the tough time and we know what it means to Sanju Samson. And everything was expressed in his celebration. He sat down, thanked God for what he has got, but should remember him. They say that legends show up when it matters the most. And yes, Sanju, the legend, showed up when it mattered the most. What a batting it has been. 97 runs, not out. My god, he missed that century, but then wonderful batting. What classic shots he played. Just worked on his basic, not something incredible, something different, something out of the box, just the basics. He stuck with his plan, he came, played beautiful shots. It was eye feast to watch him bat. 12 fours, 4 sixes with a strike rate of 194. It was amazing coming up as an opener, showing up there, that attitude, that patience, that calm, composed nature. And he came up with a big knock, 97 not out. Will be remembered as one of the best knocks of Sanju Samson and one of the best knock of Indian batters in T20 World Cup. Cheta, wonderfully played. Proud to be your fan and will always keep supporting you. Be the same. We're waiting for more runs from your bat. Just stay the same, Sanju Samson. Whatever happens, just believe in yourself and you're going to rock it. Me, myself being Sanju's fan, it has been my day. I've celebrated it as my day because we had that pain in ourselves when everyone questioned because we had to defend Sanju Samson. We knew what Sanju Samson was, but today is our day and his day too. The way he batted was an answer to everyone who questioned him and answers to his dreams and prayers. He dreamed of playing for India and making proud India about him. And it has happened today. Sanju Cheta, we always believed in you, will always believe in you, and will be with you. More to come, more to come. We're waiting, can't wait to see you in semi-finals. Put out those more runs, and you're in your style, the classic style you bat. We missed it from the very first match, and today you have delivered, and we know you're gonna make it huge in the semi-finals and the finals. You're going to make a huge impact, and we are waiting for it. Yes, this was Sanju Cheta's story. Me being his fan, I'm literally feeling very happy. I could sense that celebration, and I had tears in my eyes myself. It was an emotional moment. Yes, the celebration told everything. He dedicated it to God, and yes, hats off. But should also appreciate the cameos from Tilak Verma and also Surya Kumar Yadav, and that finishing touch given by Dubey. Hats off to the whole team. And we have got through that semi-finals, and we are going to rock in it. All the best, India. And Sanju Cheta, once again, we love you and will always keep supporting you. Well done, Cheta. This is Sanju Cheta.